ICC Chief Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda was in Uganda for 4 days, leading evidence gathering and seeking support in the prosecution of former LRA Commander Dominic Ongwen. While visiting the 2004 Balonyo massacre site in Lira district and eastern Uganda, Bensouda received a lot of backing for Ongwen's trial. Before she left for her base in The Hague, Netherlands, Bensouda met President Yoweri Museveni at his rural home in Rwachitura on Monday evening. The president, who has viciously criticized the ICC over the Kenyan cases, agreed to cooperate in the court. According to a statement from State House, President Museveni said, "Despite our differences, we are on the same side. We had to hand over Dominic Ongwen because he was arrested from a different country and had committed crimes across several countries. If he was arrested in Uganda, we would have charged him here." Bensouda commended Museveni for ensuring that Ongwen was swiftly handed over to the ICC. President Museveni's endorsement of the trial is perhaps the biggest Bensouda got, as she sought support and views on the case of Ongwen and the other LRA commanders. Speaking in Soroti at the end of our 3-day tour of regions affected by the LRA war, Bensouda said the trip was satisfactory.
I have not regretted coming to northern Uganda. In fact, if anything, I am totally convinced that this was the right thing that I should do. It has afforded me the opportunity to respond to concerns and views that have been raised.
President Museveni also directed the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Solicitor General and the Attorney General to provide necessary evidence to the ICC. Cabinet has also set up a subcommittee to work with the ICC on the Ongwen case. President Museveni and many African presidents have repeatedly threatened to cut ties with the ICC over claims of bias, saying the court was hell-bent on only prosecuting African leaders.
The ICC is turning out not to be the value addition product that we had expected to be.
Referring to the case against Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta, President Museveni said the court was becoming a new colonial instrument.
The problems that occurred in Kenya in 2007 and that happen in other African countries are first and foremost ideological. ICC to handle them just as legal matters is the highest level of shallowness.
But analysts see such statements as selfish propaganda by African presidents to encourage the ICC to prosecute their opponents but not themselves. Moses Akena, NTV Tonight.